morning, my lovelies, and welcome to a very, very wet Sunday evening. But oh my days, we have been waiting for this for so long. We've had thunder, we've had lightning, and now we've got torrential rain. I cannot believe how heavy this rain has become. It's honestly, it's hoofing it down, hoofing it. I've put a bowl out, believe it or not, in the garden so that I can collect some rainwater. One to do some rainwater in jars, and another one to do for my cactus because they only like rainwater, and I'm getting bloody wet here. Shut the window, Jem, I'm getting wet. We'll have to wing it. Oh God. Oh. That's better.
Jesus Christ.
Just crack it a little bit so we can. So yeah, I mean, look at it. Can you see how bad it is? No, we're gonna have to close it again. It's no good. Oh, lovelies. It's so wet, but it's well welcome. Oh, can you hear that?
Holy Jesus. Thor has certainly blessed us today.
Yes, I was stood in the garden about 10 minutes ago, shouting at the sky going, come on Thor, bang your hammer, let's have some lightning and some thunder and some rain.
Yeah, he delivered.
I think I'm going to have to do him an offering.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, good Lordy Lou.
Oh, it's horrendous, but it's a good horrendous. Let's just swing it round that way. Oh, you can see better that way, look. Wowzers. I hear it banging off the windows. This is the kind of stuff I like. I love it when it's like this. Like I say, we've been waiting for weeks and weeks and weeks for this. And it's been threatening it, and then it'll pass over. It was supposed to do it last night and it never arrived. But now it's here and it's welcomed. It is so welcomed.
So someone's turned on a bloody sprinkler system. Someone's left the hose pipe on upstairs.
Yeah. It's so, look at it, I can't believe how bad it's coming down. But it doesn't matter, it's what we wanted. So lovelies, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I hope if you've got storms anywhere near you, I hope you're enjoying them. So from me, a very wet me and a very wet Gemma, because I'm in her bedroom doing this, we're sending you all much love and many, many blessings.